Hey guys, and welcome to another quick video. So today I'm going to show you how to view your VCA information live. So we're on an iSeries NVR, and this is the AcuSense one, and what is the VCA information we're going to view? So that's basically all the smart analytics going on in the backgrounds, determining what's human, what's vehicle, what's motion, all that stuff. Okay, so right now we're going to enable intrusion detection on this camera here. Alright, it's good that there's people out there right now. So we click on enable, then we go draw area. So I'm going to draw this area here. And then I'm just left clicking, and then when you finish, you right click and it joins up the last dot. And then I go apply. And now we've also got human detection on, and linkage action means I've got buzzer. So linkage means what's going to happen after your motion detection has been activated. Okay, so that looks good to me. So now we're going to go to the live view. As you see here, we don't see that all the clever information going on. Oh, something's just happened. I think it's detected the human. So, but what we want to do is go display VCA information, and now we can see all the smart analytics going on. You see the green boxes coming up. That means it's detecting motion and things like that. All right. So this is a great feature, guys. If you're into motion detection and you wanted to get it configured just right, here you can tweak the settings because you can see what's actually going on live. What's it finding? What's it not finding? All right. So it's a bit of an art. You have to get it going. Oh, we've got some guy coming in the zone here. Is it going to trigger? Oh, it's found a human because he's right on the edge of an intrusion zone. I don't think it's triggered it. I would have to reduce the threshold, but yeah, as you see, guys, it's not a video motion detection. It's just for the VCA information. I really like this feature, and hopefully you guys do too. All right, so thanks for watching, and hopefully catch another one. Cheers, bye bye.